Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will start by teaching you the simplest stitch and the easiest stitch, which is the running stitch. आज हम शुरू करेंगे रनिंग स्टिच से। वो बहुत आसान है. It is always advisable to take a frame when you are doing any embroidery. फ्रेम ले लेना चाहिए आपको जब आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर रहे हैं. Begin by putting a knot at the end of the thread. You can take 2, 3 or even 1 strand for doing this stitch. एक knot ले लीजिए थ्रेड के अंत में. आप 3, 2 या 1 स्ट्रैंड से शुरू कर सकते हैं. आप नीचे से शुरू कीजिए, स्टिच नीचे से शुरू कीजिए, ऐसे उठाइए. उसके बाद एक बार नीचे एक बार ऊपर, बस यही है स्टिच. यू जस्ट हैव टू गो डाउन एंड कम अप, दैट्स ऑल. देयर इज नथिंग डिफ़िकल्ट अबाउट दिस स्टिच. कुछ डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं है ये स्टिच में. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज ट्राई एंड कीप द स्टिचेस ऑफ द सेम साइज. एक ही चीज़ ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा कि सब स्टिचेस सेम साइज में होना चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर देन यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट dots on the line as I have put over here, and I will show you how to do it, and then just follow the dots. That's all. Very, very easy stitch. Okay, now let me show you the one where I have put the dots. The same thing, you will put a knot at the end of the thread. Okay, you will start from below and just follow the dots. That's all. Just follow the dots. Okay, now for running stitch, depending on your choice, you can take longer stitch or you can take small stitches. ये आपके ऊपर है, आप बड़ा स्टिच लेंगे या छोटा स्टिच लेंगे. लेकिन छोटा छोटा स्टिच लेने से देखने में सबसे सुंदर लगता है. Only if you are a beginner you can start by putting these dots, otherwise it is not required. Only if you are a beginner you may do this. आप beginner हो तभी कर सकते हैं. And when you end it, just put the needle below, go at the back and just tie a knot this way. That's all, and you cut off the extra thread. आप नीचे जाइए, knot लगा लीजिए और extra thread को काट लीजिए. Same over here also. If I go till the end of this line, and if you are not a beginner, then you can take 2 or 3 stitches together as I am doing and then pull the thread. It saves some time. आप अगर beginner नहीं है तो आप 2-3 stitch ऐसे ले लीजिए, फिर thread को pull कीजिए, थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा आपका stitching. I have used running stitch for doing this design, although I have used some other stitches, but running stitch I have used over here, and I think this is looking very nice. This pattern has been done only by using running stitch. ये pattern सिर्फ running stitch से किया गया है. ये कुर्ता में किया गया है और बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. I have attached this extra piece of cloth at the back of the blouse, and just to enhance the design I have mainly used running stitch. ये एक ब्लाउज के बैक में ये दूसरा कपड़ा लगा के सिर्फ प्रोमिनेंट करने के लिए हम रनिंग स्टिच यूज़ किए हैं. This is a wonderful silk stole which I had bought, and as you can see only running stitch has been done to make it look so beautiful. ये एक सिल्क दुपट्टा हम खरीदे थे, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, इसमें रनिंग स्टिचेस सिर्फ किया गया है और ये इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. This is very simple. Do a line of running stitch, then take a contrast thread, just put the needle once this side and once from here. It's not through the cloth, it's just only through the stitch. That's all. It's not through the cloth, it's only through the stitch. That is all. Only through the stitch. The next stitch is also very similar. Do a line of running stitch, take a contrast thread, again put your needle through the stitch, not through the cloth, just through the stitch, and don't pull the whole thing so that it forms a loop, once from this side and once from the other side. The stitch looks very nice, once from this side and once from the other side. That's all. Another simple one, do a line of running stitch, take another color thread, just go in and out, and then take a third color thread and just the opposite direction of the first one that you have done, you again have to go in and out. That's all. There is nothing difficult about it. Just the opposite direction that you have. And for all these, don't put the needle through the cloth. It is only through the stitches. That is why the stitches are very, very simple. It's only through the stitches, running stitch that you have done. That's all. As simple. And you can see that it looks so nice. For this also, do one line of running stitch, take a contrast thread, then in between two running stitch, just below it, pull up the needle and then go through this stitch and the next stitch, again all through the stitches and again go down. Simple stitch, again go down. Again from the middle of these two running stitches, go through here, this stitch, this running stitch, from top this running stitch and just beside it go down. Simple but looks beautiful. Very simple but looks beautiful. To fill up small motifs like this, you can use running stitches, which looks very nice. That's all in this video. See you in the next video.